Hello, I'm Doug and this is the Taste and Sensibility channel. And today we're at Black Licorice episode number 40. So this is a short series updating my licorice series. And today we are looking at Townesend's Treats, which is not a brand I've seen before, but it says really soft, really delicious, Australian soft style and vegan. Gourmet soft licorice created by a kid. And the story on the back is, my name is Townsend and I am 9 years old. My dad taught me how to start a business and I'm working hard to be a successful kid entrepreneur. I had fun creating a sweet treat that my whole family loves, even the adults. And while I'm not learning, I like to play outside with my dog and chickens. Thank you for trying my treats. I hope you love them like I do. Here's Townsend's Treats with a address in Stonewall, Texas. Like might be a residential address. So we'll find out how good they are. But before I open this up, let me get you to like this video, share it with friends, leave comments and questions down below, subscribe to the channel, and click on that bell to get notified when the new videos come out. And then the channel will do a little bit better because you helped. And here goes the strip. Ooh, that worked. Oh yeah, I know that smell. So it looks like a normal kind of twist. And the smell I'm getting here is that cooked wheat, anise, molasses type recipe that I usually like a lot. Let's see what we have here. Sugar, corn syrup, and rich wheat flour. Water, cane syrup, modified food starch, palm oil, citric acid, natural and artificial flavor, malic acid, and potassium sorbate as preservative, salt, FTNC red number 40. So I don't know why they only need red. Maybe it was very brown to start with. If they cooked the gamish enough, it would be brown probably. And maybe it just needs a little push to get it to be more black. So I'm liking the smell, I'm liking the flavor. Well, aroma. There's something beyond licorice and the normal wheat molasses aroma that I get. It's hard to describe. Is it fruity? What is it? It's like a fall muffin smell. I'm trying to think. It might be cinnamon. Something like a banana bread with cinnamon in it. Something that is surprising to find in black licorice candy. So, it's a smell I like. Let's see if it's a taste I like. It's not very gooey. It doesn't stick to many things. It breaks up and stays in pieces. When you bite into it, all those stay in pieces and they don't really stick or cling to anything. But the flavor is pretty decent. Mostly anise. I'd say there's a tiny bit of bitterness indicating the licorice extract. But it's very low level. It's mainly the sweetness of the sugar, the wheat, the cooked wheat notes, and some anise flavoring, which is mostly on the palate and less on the aroma. Okay, I'm getting a hint more bitterness now. So that maybe the licorice extract is coming through more. It's basically the kind I like. Wheaty, bready, hints of molasses, even though there's no molasses or brown sugar in here. They may have cooked it to a darker color. And I like it. So, okay, it's not spectacular, but I like it. It is, I would say, average for this kind of recipe. And the texture is a little bit different than this kind of recipe often is, where it just kind of gloms onto your teeth and sticks and doesn't go away for a while. So it's got that advantage. So Townsend, you did a good job. if you had anything to do with this recipe, and not just food professionals. So I would give this a thumbs up, and if I figure out where I bought it, I'll put a link down in the description. So that'll do it for this one. We have 3 or 4 more candies we can cover in this little short series. So come back for those, and cheers!